Okay, we'll make some zucchini bread like light bread. Okay, in this bowl, we got some walnut flour, 1 cup, 1 cup of pecan flour, now you can use regular flour, you don't have to use what I'm using, and 1 cup of bread flour, and then we're going to keep 1 cup out in case we need it. Teaspoon and a half of salt. I'm wearing flour again, you all. 2 cups of zucchini, 1 and 1/2 cups of water, or yeast, 1 tablespoon of yeast. 1 tablespoon. Okay, in with our 1 tablespoon of yeast and a cup and a half of water. 1 spoonful of sugar. I'm wearing more flour, you all. That's all I do when I make bread. Is wear more flour than I do anything. Okay, we're gonna let that sit there for about 10 minutes. Now to this, 1/2 cup of honey, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Okay, we got some organic ground cinnamon. If y'all ain't got that, just use your regular cinnamon. Trying to find me I'll just do it like this. Let's see. Trying to find me a tablespoon. Hold on a second. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Okay, it's frothing up, see? Now we may have to use our flour. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, we got some Hershey's semi-sweet chocolate chips. One-third of a cup. Okay, now we're going to put some flour. One-third of a cup of olive oil. Okay, let's take our flour and measure. Half a cup, we're going to add bread flour. Our other half a cup. Looks like we're going to have another, probably 2 more cups of bread flour. So that'll make 1 cup pecan flour, 1 cup walnut, I make 3 cups of bread flour so far. 3 cups of bread flour. Okay, we're gonna put this in our our pans and let them bake in about 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna put our baking powder in now. Teaspoon and a half. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. Did you all see where Reynolds Wrap parchment paper unbleached went up to $7.50 a roll? They are done. They're at 200 degrees. So I'm going to call them done. Going to let them sit there for about an hour and cool off. And then we'll be back to test them. Okay. We're going to cut our bread. Yum. Make this bread. Thanks for watching.